construction?
Yes, all applicable ones.
For applicable, yeah. Okay. And you have signboards? Signboards are there?
Yeah.
Yes, signboard has.
And specific LSR training is also there as part of the induction.
Very good. This you have done, this okay. Verify a project has implemented the procedure, monitor compliance, yes, of course. You have permit all system, audit plan, road safety observation. This we have seen in the HSE also. We are happy. All lead and leg indicators.
I think
Yeah.
lead lag indicator is in there in their HSE. Just open that your the HSE.
Monthly HSE performance.
Yeah, statistics. You have
statistics
statistics
there.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you can share the statistics on, if someone can share it.